Hey guys, it's me, back on Essential, and today I'm going to be shooting a tutorial on how to make an easy paper KinitoPET mask, and for that we'll be using our trusty pink AFO. So our tutorial is going to begin with a simple little graph or sketch, whatever you want to call it, sketch of the face structure. So if you look at it, it's just a sphere, just like the one we did with the dream mask. So we are going to start with a sphere, and it's not a perfect sphere. It doesn't have to be symmetrical. That's what I'm trying to say. It just has to be a sphere, just like that. And it's got two eyes right around there. Tiny eyes. Those are too big. Tiny little eyes right around there, like that. And then 6 antenna, I don't know, tentacles. I think 6 tentacles. That would be the right term. So we're gonna use the bottom off for the tentacles. I don't know how we're supposed to cut out the tentacles. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. Alright, so we're going to work our way through this project real quick. First let's cut out the circle. Or actually let's cut out the entire thing we require. And then is that a perfect circle? I'm not so sure, but let's just wing it. I hope that's a good circle. Alright, shave around some edges, and that does look like a good circle. Now this is actually a pink AFO. I think it's too dark to make it look like a pink AFO right now. Okay, now that we have this done, let's make the eyes once again on this side. Alright, I'm going to make it darker. And then make the eyelids. Just like that. This entire part is going to be filled with white. So we're going to need to make a hole through it. And then cut those holes out. I cut the holes out and then put some of my white AFO in there. Now let's add the eye pupils. Just 2 black dots like that. I don't know, for some reason the one in the original picture looks like it's curious, but mine just looks creepy. That's a bit too much black, so I'm going to make it a bit lesser. I don't know, for some reason this creature looks like it's got eyebrows right around there. I don't know, it just felt like it. So, next up we are going to add some folds at the bottom right there. Two folds just like that. And then also at the very top. And above the eyebrows, above the hypothetical eyebrows. It's probably not there, but it just feels like the eyebrows are right over there. Okay, so far it just looks like a green blob to me. It's coming together though. It is coming together. Two on either side. And actually, instead of these two right there, I would probably be better off adding two right there. Let's add two right here as well. Let's see what happens. Alright, so that is what it looks like so far. It does look pretty circular and squishable, like a plushie. Should I remove these two ones at these two at the bottom, or okay, I'll keep them. Never mind. That looks like a squid. Okay, I'm joking around, but too much. So let's quickly cut out the tentacles as well. I'll quickly do that off camera. Alright, so I made these 6 tentacles as well. They're too sharp to be called tentacles, but I don't know what to call them. If you do know, you can let me know. You can make me know in the comment section. Alright, one of those tentacles are right beside the eyes. Beside where the eyes are, so let's add the middle tentacles first. And then another middle tentacle. We are taping it from the behind so as to minimize the amount of tape that's visible from the front. The lesser the visible tape, the cleaner it looks. So some people even use glue during steps like this, but I'm too lazy to do glue. Tape's much quicker, in my opinion, that is, of course. Okay, here's another one, but I'm going to make it a bit thinner compared to the top 2 tentacles. Just for the sake of it, no particular reason. Like that, and then 2 more at the top. It does look like a squid. I'm not even kidding, it does look like it. I think the eyes were a bit too far apart. Yeah, we can't fix it now, can we? definitely can't. What we can do though is get the white part of the eye out, a bit forward, using our trusty little gel pen. Okay, now the last few goes right there. From the inside it looks like a spider. Alright, so there's our KinitoPET mask complete. Let me know how it looks, and if you tried it out, you can post your results on your channel. I'll be sure to check it out as well. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what I should do next in the next videos, and share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.